The recent reorganization of state corporation, the appointment of chairpersons of various state corporation, the appointment of directors to various boards of state corporation, and more importantly, the movement of key state corporation to treasury is a well-informed, well-calculated move by our president to steer our country into economic recovery post-COVID-19 pandemic. This international pandemic have brought many economies to their knees, and we need a strategy to recover from that pandemic and even steer our country economy into greater heights. And also, I want to thank the president sincerely for bringing regional balancing, gender equality in the recent appointments. Most of the marginalized communities are now into the government. And as the Maasai, we feel part and parcel of your government. The appointment of our sons and daughters led by Honorable Alex Magelo, Honorable Senator Mositet, Lydia Nane-Ndimama, Lenana Momoi, and more importantly, the appointment of Engineer Joseph Ngadayo, a well-renowned civil engineer who have supervised mega projects within and outside Africa, who is well educated, and despite his high level of education, he have been able to interact with our community with ease and is a respected elder within our community despite his high level of education. We do really appreciate our president because Kenya Civil Aviation Authority is a very key and very important state corporation. For us to have Joseph Ngadayo as the chairman of such a very important state corporation, we do appreciate our president, and we believe as Maasai and feel part and parcel of your government. You are our son, you know your grandmother is our daughter, related to the family of Sangale and Glacier. So we do appreciate your recent appointment, Your Excellency, the President. We also want to humbly request, as a member of parliament representing person with disability, to consider person with disability in the appointment going forward.